What is up, guys? Nick back with a brand new video on the channel, and today's video is my first film related tutorial on the channel. Like I said in my goals for this year video all the way back in January, I wanted to dive into tutorials on how to make scripts, how to make storyboards, etc. All that goes into making a film or a short film or just anything, camera angles, directing. There's a lot that I cannot think of, but yeah, there's a lot. So this is the first film related tutorial on the channel of many that will be coming throughout the year in 2023. But this is a big one, and I wanted to wait till I was completely done with the script for my film to show you guys what it looks like on paper and a step-by-step process of the website that I used on my Mac, and showing you guys, how to make a script. Now, before we get in this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, turn on notifications. We are 2 subscribers away from 460, and we are getting closer and closer to that goal of 500. Thank you guys so much for supporting me, and let's get straight into the tutorial. We are back. Hopefully you guys can see this, but so I am currently on Studio Binder. It is a free website for making scripts. Obviously you have to pay to get loads and more features, but all you have to do is just log in there with your email and password, and then it'll take you to a page here, and this is where you make scripts. You can do storyboarding, you can do solid lists, production schedules, you can make storyboards on here instead of like drawing them out on paper, but we're gonna be doing how to make scripts. So what you want to do is go up to this corner that says new project, come up with a title. I'm gonna pick blueberry. I don't know, I'm just gonna pick something random. I think I spelled it right. Okay, I'm just gonna call it blue. That's what we're gonna call it. So here you can do a whole loads of stuff. Nothing really too, you don't really need to worry about this stuff right now. So you hit create new project, and it'll take you to this page. You will click on write your script, and then press new screenplay, and then obviously we're just going to keep it like that, and this should take you to this page. So this is a blank page up here. It goes all the way down. The cool thing about Studio Binder is that you can see right here it says scene 1. It has all the scenes, and when you print it out on paper, like my script right here, it has the scene numbers, so it makes things incredibly easy for like when filming happens, for what scenes you're gonna be filming on what day. So we are here on scene 1. Already has it out for you. So up here on the top, it has new scenes, action, characters. This you don't really need to worry about the dialogue, and you don't really need to worry about anything else. So for the scene here, the cool thing about this, watch, it has either interior or exterior. So you got that, there it is right here. You don't have to type it out every letter. It already shows you exactly what you want to do. So INT means interior, so if you're filming inside of a building or inside a place, that's what you would put on your script. Exterior, EXT means outside scene, and if you want to do like an interior scene that goes from inside to outside in the same scene, you can do that, or you can go from outside to inside. So we're going to be picking an interior scene. Now after this, you pick the time, not time of day, you pick where the scene's at. So we're going to put house. Now after that, okay, I guess it didn't do it. So, but here it shows the time of day. If you want to film it either at day, night, whatever, you can pick that. And so this is pretty much the header for inside house during the day. Now you press return or enter or whatever, and it takes you to the accent. The accent is what the person's gonna be doing before they speak. So we're gonna put Dave walks inside house. So the character's walking inside the house. Usually you would highlight the word Dave, make it capitalized. So after you press that again, you will be going to character. This is important. This is where you get the dialogue. You put the character's name here. You have to click on the character icon. It doesn't show up on his own. You press enter, and now it takes you to dialogue of what Dave is going to be saying. So that is the dialogue. It's a really easy process for making script on here. Obviously, if you're really in the like screenplays or screenwriting, and if you look through scripts that like are from big Hollywood movies or TV shows, they don't typically use this. I don't think really a lot of people use Studio Binder. I forgot what it's called, but it's the one that I don't remember the name of it. It's Adobe something Adobe, but that's typically what they use. But if you're just starting out as a screenwriter, this is a great website to use. I'm not sponsored by them, obviously. I'm making a tutorial, but this is pretty much just the. I mean, yeah, it's pretty simple. I don't really need to keep going with dialogue and stuff like that. But you know, you can also share it with people. You can download a PDF and then you can print it out. But it's a really easy process, and then also you can attach other people to it, and then there's notes that the people put down. You know, it's really simple, and obviously when it is printed out, it will show up on paper, the scenes, scene 1, scene 2, whatever. And it's just really easy. You know, I have a few friends that are into making short films, that have made short films before. I'm not too sure if they made scripts using something like this or using a computer, if they just wrote it down on paper with a pen. But I do recommend using this for starters. This is what I use, and I will be continuing to use in my career until I learn more and more about script writing and more about formatting and making these scripts the best they can possibly be. But now, since this is out of the way, I'm just going to close this. I'll leave that there. And we are going to be going, and I'm going to be showing you guys the script. I'm not going to be showing you guys everything with the script, but I'm just showing you guys what it looks like on paper. And this is what my script looks like when you print it out. There isn't. I don't think there's an option to put a header like a title like this, but I just had to use it on like a normal PDF thing or whatever, like a normal this blank piece of paper. But this is my script, 47 pages, 37 scenes, so pretty big. I mean, not a big script, you know, but this is mine. Obviously, I'm gonna try and go out, but it shows the numbers on the side there, and then this keeps going, you know. But yeah, it's pretty simple script. I think these are coming apart, which I don't like. But yeah, this is my script that I wrote entirely on Studio Binder, 5 months of work, and now it's on paper. But yeah, that's a tutorial. There's obviously better ones I found. When I first started making my script back in December, I watched a YouTube video on Studio Binder. It was the first video I clicked on, and it was like, hey, you can use Studio Binder, or you can use this other website. And I'm in Studio Binder, and there's a lot of great things you can do, a lot of great options and stuff like that. But this is my first film related tutorial, and I'm excited for this series. But yeah, I'm excited to make more ones. I'm pretty sure the next one will be on storyboards. I'm not exactly sure when that will be going up on the channel, because my schedule is completely booked for uploads till like June. So maybe you'll see another one in June. I'm not too sure. I'll try to get one out possibly next month. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, turn on notifications, share the video with your filmmaking friends and buddies, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.